Hi everyone, let's get into this makeup look. I am doing my face for the office, so I just wanted to show you guys a quick look that you can do when you are headed to the office. We are literally using about 10 products. So I'm priming my face and then I'm adding my foundation. Now with this foundation, I'm actually going to use my hands because it just blends out so much more easier, especially if you don't have the foundation brush. You can just use your hands and just blend that in really nicely. Now I'm taking a beauty blender and I'm just blending that in again just to make sure there weren't any lines or creases. I'm going to conceal my face, so I just put in the inner and outer corners of the eye and the bridge of the nose, and then I just let that sit for a minute or two. Next, while I'm letting the concealer sit before I blend it out, I'm just doing my eyebrows. Now, after doing the eyebrows, I'm gonna blend in that concealer, and this is really gonna brighten up that under eye because we've just let that concealer sit and concentrate under the eye, and as you can see, it is blending beautifully. Make sure that you set your concealer as soon as possible. You don't want to let your concealer to sit for too long. So as you can see, I'm just applying that setting powder just to make sure there are no creases. And while that setting powder sits, I'm going to apply some blush. I'm going to take this face powder just to dust off any excess powder that's on my face. So because obviously I have individual lashes, I'm just going to use the mascara on the bottom lashes, and it really lifts up the eyes and it makes the eyes pop, so definitely do this step. Finally, for the lips, you know we always have to line the lips, so I'm lining my lips with this brown pencil, and then we're going to be doing a red lippy. This just makes sure that you don't go over the lips and we get that nice precision for the red lips. Unfortunately, my camera died as I was filming. I didn't realize, but after I applied the red lip, I just set the rest of my face and I was good to go. So this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope this is something that you can do when you're going to work. See you in the next video.